Ladies and gentlemen, the main event. Let's get ready to rumble! In the red corner, standing at 6 foot 5 inches tall and tipping the scales at 293 pounds, the muscles from Brussels, Vincent. And in the blue corner, standing at 5 foot 4 inches tall and weighing in at a measly 109 pounds, John the Punching Bag Helm! Alright. What's up, y'all? This is my friend Vincent. He is an automotive technician.
What's up?
And he has basic metalworking skills as such, but he's never actually done any blacksmithing, forging, or knife making. So today we're going to be making a railroad spike knife. All right, here we go. Sticking in the forge. Yeah, just bury it in the coals. So I'm going to take a heat here just so Vincent can see how to begin to set in the bevels, because explaining it is not as good as seeing it happen. So first you want to curve it into what is going to be the edge of the blade, like a banana. That way when I forge this bevel in and it starts to curve backwards, it straightens it out. And I always start by setting my plunge lines. Put it right on the edge of the anvil and tap right on the edge of the anvil with a straight peen or a cross peen. Now that's set, I can start forging in the rest. So just tilt it slightly towards the edge and hit it in at an angle slightly towards the edge. I start at the very edge of the metal and I just slowly work my way down. Once that's pretty thin, I'll start hitting my hammer blows just behind that line until I have a grind line that is a little bit shy of where it's going to be in the finished blade. Time making this knife, and I hope that Vincent did too.
I did.
You did?
Absolutely.
All right, tell us your thoughts, man.
It was actually harder than I thought. The forging itself was very satisfying, and I really liked making the handle twisted. It's like my highlight, but it was way harder than I expected.
Yeah, it still turned out really well for your first knife, though.
It did. We're really happy with it.
Well, that wraps it up for today. Thank you all for watching.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Say it like that's the end of the statement. He said like, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
So more like, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Why is like so much more important than commenting and subscribing? All right, y'all, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me once again.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.